In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Pinterest board with someone. First, open your browser and head to pinterest.com. Once you are on the homepage, look to the left side of the screen for the navigation panel. Click where you see your boards. This opens the area that lists everything you've saved. Next, choose the boards view. This filters out individual pins and lets you see full boards at a glance, so it's easy to pick the one you want to share. Find the board you created for this project, maybe it's a mood board, a gift list, or a collection of recipes, and click to open it. At the top of the board, near the title, look for the Share option. It may appear as a share button or a curved arrow icon. Click it, and a sharing window will pop up with two straightforward choices. If you want a quick way to send the board anywhere, choose Copy Link. This places a direct link on your clipboard so you can paste it into a text, email, chat app, or document. It's fast and great for one-to-many sharing. Just remember, if the board is set to secret, the link won't make it public. Recipients may need to be invited to view. Alternatively, you can share directly by searching for the person by name or email. Start typing, select the correct contact, and send. This routes the invitation through Pinterest and can trigger a notification on their side. If Pinterest gives you the option, you can include a short message to provide context, and in some cases choose whether the person can edit or only view the board. Sharing this way is ideal when you want a specific individual to have reliable access without forwarding links. After you share, keep an eye on the board to confirm the person appears in the collaborator or viewer list, depending on your settings. If they don't see the board right away, ask them to refresh their Pinterest home feed or check their notifications in email. For extra peace of mind, take a moment to check the board's privacy setting before you share, especially if it includes personal plans or client work. And remember, you can adjust access later by removing someone from the board if needed. And that's it. You went to Pinterest, opened your boards, selected the right board, clicked share, and then either copied a link or searched by name or email. Use the method that fits your situation. Links for speed, direct invites for control, and you'll have your board in the right hands in seconds.